On your driving test, you will be asked to use sat-nav. It's important that you realise with sat-nav, it doesn't always guide you correctly. So currently we are in Leeds City Centre. We are trying to follow the road ahead. It's telling us to take the second road on the left. The second road on the left is actually a bus gate, which would incur a ticket if we were to use that lane. So we can see here the sat-nav is telling us to use the bus gate, which is wrong and it's illegal and it will cost us a ticket. So it's very important on your driving test that you use the sat-nav as an aid and not
now
an
turn
absolute.
left.
We can see it's telling us to turn left and it's a traffic enforcement system. So we would incur a fixed penalty ticket. So it's important on your driving test you do not follow sat-navs if they are taking you somewhere where you believe it's illegal
Now turn left.
or dangerous. Thank you for watching.